Hey guys, today I'll be doing a skincare video. I'll be removing my makeup, which I absolutely loved. The makeup artist who did it for me did such a phenomenal job. I just really loved it. She is truly great at what she does. And this pouch was able to hold a lot. Like, I already took out some of the containers that it came with, the other travel size containers that it came with, but it was definitely a great purchase. And I'm just gonna go through some of the ones I have. So that container I sniffed because I had two circular small ones with white products in each, and that one I definitely found out from the minty smell that it was toothpaste. And the other one is my deodorant. Did not want to make the mistake of applying deodorant to my toothbrush, so that's what that was about. And I know that's not the best razor, but I left in a rush on that trip and I grabbed what I could. But that's an unused shower cap that I have in my hand next to the razor. I was able to throw in edge booster just in case my edges got wet, or if, anything happened from the humidity of the shower. You know how moisture could just find its way like it loves to do. And I typically brush my teeth after I remove my makeup, but this time in this video I did it first. So now I'm going to get ready to apply the cleanser by Joire Spa. The actual look of her products is really nice actually, but I just had to put these again in the travel size containers so it doesn't look as luxurious as she actually brands it, because she does have a very wonderful brand. But anyhow, I was able to make sure I could fit everything in a carry-on. And the foundation that the makeup artist used on me was by NARS, and it was called Tahoe. So on the NARS website, Tahoe, Tahoe, is listed as medium to deep with warm undertones and an olive tone. I actually was matched at Sephora, and they matched me with Aruba, which is a bit lighter, but Aruba is medium to medium deep with cool undertones. So it was quite interesting, and now I would like to buy both and compare the two. To go back on a plane with those lashes, I could not properly wash my eyes and keep them there. It just wasn't gonna work. I had to take them off for me to feel like I was getting a good wash by my eyes because I didn't have glue to reapply it or anything like that. So yeah, they had to go. I placed the toner in a spray bottle, but here I just poured it out because I didn't really want to spray it on my face, especially with some of my edges exposed. So this was the safest route. But this clear and pink spray bottle also did come in that travel bag. So the name of this toner, I mean, it's a rose toner, and it has it actually has like a bit of rose petals in the bottle as well. Another travel size container that came in that pouch, that clear pouch. This one and the clear one that I used the cleanser with. So this one I was able to fit in lotion. I didn't use any particular lotion. I just threw in some Cetaphil, and they all have different ranges, but the one that I use is the dry to normal sensitive skin moisturizing lotion. So I don't know if any of you guys do this or if it's just me, but I just randomly started applying my lotion with the back of my hand only because it just feels so much smoother. I mean, I know I'm obviously washing with the palm of my hands, but I really do like it. Let's just say I'm just trying a thing. Can't forget to moisturize the lips. I'm using Weleda from Whole Foods. So now I'm just doing a check on these edges, okay? I just want to make sure that they're still, dry. They're still laid. And by the looks of it, I'm just touching, because like the edge of my head tie was a little damp, but I wanted to make sure that my hairline, the hair by my hairline wasn't affected, and it was good. And I'm just touching just to make sure. Clear, there's no need to add any extra edge control or edge booster, which I carried with me. So I'm just gonna go ahead and tie back my hair with this head tie. To catch this cat nap before running out of here for this early morning flight. Okay, it's time to do a skin check-in. Y'all, how is she looking?